Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to scale with reference. So for example, you can draw rectangles and we create again rectangle in here. Now I will scale reference these objects to make the same length with these rectangle objects. So you can type scale, press enter, select the rectangle, enter again, and then for base point I will click here. Now you can use the reference options. You can type R, press enter, and then for base point, I will click here. The end point, click at this point. Now you can move to the corner of the rectangle object. Click to apply. So that's it for a basic AviCAD tutorial how to use scales reference.